Hi dears, NEET exam is very near. I hope your preparations are going well. So here in this video, we are going to discuss about the important previous year question from the chapter, some basic concepts of chemistry. Especially for NEET students, they are actually struggling with the mathematical related questions, especially from this some basic concept of chemistry. So let's look about the questions as well as let's do the questions they already asked in the previous year examination. Are you ready, guys? Yeah, let's go with the first question. Here is the first question, dears. This is the question they asked in 2024. The amount of glucose required to prepare 250 ml of m by 20, that means 1 by 20 molar aqueous solution is. Simple, they given molarity, they are asking about what? The amount of glucose required. What we can do? We have the formula that related molarity. Molarity is equal to, what's the formula, dears? WB by MB into 1000 divided by VML. Given mass by molar mass into 1000 divided by volume in milliliter. Fine. 50% is over. Now what we have to do? We have to substitute the values. Molarity they given 1 by 20. So that is 1 by 20, dears. That's equal to given mass of solute that we have to find out, WB, divided by molar mass of glucose. Glucose molar mass they given in the question, 180. Okay, into 1000 divided by volume in milliliter. What's the milliliter volume? Solution's volume, 250 ml. Now we have to calculate for what? WB. We can cancel this one. We can cancel this one. This is equal to 4. Am I correct? Yeah. So WB equal to how much? 180 divided by 20 into 4 will come. 180 divided by 20 into 4. So this one I can cancel. Then 18 by 2. 18 by 2 is 9. 9 by 4. 9 by 2 is 4.5. 4.5 divided by 2. That means 2.25. 2.25. So option A is the correct answer. You got it, guys? It was a simple question they asked in 2024. Clear? Yeah. Let's look about the next question. This is the next question, dears. 1 gram of hydrogen has same number of molecules as in. It's a question related to that mole concept. You know, here they are asking 1 gram of hydrogen has same number of molecules as in. So first of all, we must have to calculate the number of molecules in what? 1 gram hydrogen. Number of molecules in 1 gram hydrogen is equal to 1 gram hydrogen. If I am taking the number of molecules is equal to given mass by molar mass. Given mass divided by molar mass. Molar mass of hydrogen is 2 into Na. That means 0.5 Na molecules should be there. Like that, which option comes? That will be our answer. What about option A? 14 gram nitrogen. 14 gram nitrogen means what? Given mass divided by molar mass of nitrogen is 28 into Na. That's equal to 0.5 Na. This many molecules are present. So that's our answer. What about B? B means given mass 18 divided by molar mass of H2O 18 into Na. That means 1 Na. Na molecules are there. What about C? C is 16 divided by given mass is 16. Molar mass is this carbon's atomic mass is 12. Oxygen is 16. So total 28 into Na. That is not 0.5. This one 28 divided by 28 into Na. That also Na. So our answer is what? Option A. Clear, dears? Yes. Next question. Question number 3. What's the question here? On complete combustion, 0.3 gram of an organic compound gave 0.2 gram of carbon dioxide and 0.1 gram of H2O. The percentage composition of carbon and hydrogen in the compound respectively is actually this question they are asking related to purification of organic compound. One area is there, quantitative, qualitative aspects is there. Okay, from there only they are asking this one. There you learned the percentage of carbon. One formula is there. Percentage of carbon is equal to, carbon is estimated as what? Carbon dioxide. So formula is carbon's mass. In carbon dioxide, carbon mass is 12. Divided by carbon dioxide mass is 44. Into how much amount of carbon dioxide you are getting. So mass of carbon dioxide produced. Okay, mass of carbon dioxide produced divided by weight of organic compound taken. Weight of organic compound taken. Okay, organic compound taken. Okay, taken into 100. This is the formula we are using. This much percentage. So that's equal to 12 divided by 44. okay, into mass of carbon dioxide is how much? Mass of carbon dioxide you are getting is 0.2 gram of carbon dioxide you are getting from the organic compound. How much organic compound you are taking? 0.3 you are taking, 0.3 into 100 you are getting. So 12 divided by 44 into 0.2 divided by 0.3 means this is actually 12 divided by 44 into 2 by 3 into 100. Into 100. Once you are solving, you will get 18.18 percentage you will get. So we can check about the option. Only one option is there. The percentage of carbon is 18.18 percentage. The same way you can find out the percentage of hydrogen. Percentage of hydrogen is equal to, I will do here. Percentage of hydrogen is estimated as H2O. 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 Clear? So in H2O, hydrogen mass is 2. So 2 divided by 18. Okay. Into W by how much mass? Okay. Instead of W, I will take, you may take like M1 divided by W into 100. M1 is the mass of water you got. How much mass of water you got? 0.1. So this will be like 2 by 18 into 0.1 divided by weight of organic compound you took is 0.3 into 100. Into 100. That time you will get how much? 3.7. You will get 3.7 percentage. That's equal to option B. Clear, dears? If you know the formula, you can easily solve it. Clear? Yeah. We can go to the next question. Question number 4th question. What's the question here? 1 gram of sodium hydroxide was treated with 25 ml of 0.75 molar HCl. Here this kind of question comes in, students are struggling. No need to struggle, no need to fear, no need to scare. The thing is that you must, if you know the basic idea clearly, you can easily answer it. Are you ready? Yeah, let's look about the idea. See, this NaOH as well as HCl once we are treating, NaOH as well as HCl once we are treating, they will give what? This is a base, this is an acid, they will give what? NaCl plus H2O. Every students know this equation. Everyone know this equation. I think we learned this equation in 7th standard or something. I hope so. Correct? Yeah, this equation we know. If you know this equation means we can write the general mass relation. We can write general mass relation. What's the general mass relation? If I am taking this one 40 gram, NaOH mass is 40 gram. This one 36.5 gram is required. That I know. Correct? Now, in the question, they are giving this one 1 gram. 1 gram sodium hydroxide they given. And this one, instead of giving gram, they given 25 ml of 0.75 molar HCl. Like that indirectly they given. So, what do you mean by 0.75 molar HCl, dears? What do you mean by 0.75 molar HCl, dears? Simple. What is that? 0.75 molar means 0.75 mole HCl in 1000 ml. In 1000 ml. Or else 0.75 mole HCl in 1 liter. That's the idea. That's the concept. Clear, dears? Yeah. So 0.75 mole HCl in 1000 ml. But we don't have 1000 ml. We have how many ml? How much ml? 25 ml only we are having. So 25 ml contain how many moles? 25 ml contain how many moles, dears? That I am taking it is X. I don't know. So 1000 ml contain 0.75 mole. So 25 ml contain how many? That I am taking X. Then how I can calculate X? I can divide this one with this one. That will be equal to this one with this one. So 0.75 divided by X. That is equal to 1000 divided by 25. 1000 divided by 25. 1000 divided by 25, how much? This is equal to 40. This is equal to 40. Then what is X? X is equal to 0.75 by 40. 0.75 by 40. This many moles I am taking. This many moles I am taking. Clear, dears? Okay, dears? Yeah. 0.75 by 40 moles I am taking. Now the questions are very easy. So what's the idea we must have to remember? 0.75 by 40 moles. 0.75 by 40 moles of HCl I am taking. HCl I am taking. So you can directly do it. Here if you are taking this one 1 mole. I'm sorry. This one, this NaOH 1 mole. 1 mole. This also you have to take 1 mole. 1 mole. Then what's the meaning? This one 0.7 by 40 mole you are taking means this one also 0.7 by 40 mole you required. You required. This one 1 mole means this also 1 mole. So this one 0.75 by 40 mole means this also 0.75 by 40 mole you required. Am I correct? Yes or no? Yeah. So this also 0.75 by 40 mole you required. Am I correct? So no need of mass. We can directly go with this one. That's easy. 0.75 by 40 mole you required. 0.75 by 40 mole of NaOH means how much mass? 0.75 by 40 mole of NaOH means how much mass? 0.75 by 40 into that many moles means 1 mole equal to 40. So 0.7 by 40 means 0.75 by 40 into 40. That's equal to 0.75 gram. That means to react with this one, we required only 0.75 gram. But in the question, they given 1 gram sodium hydroxide for us. So 0.75 only reacting. What's the remaining? What's the remaining, dears? Remaining is equal to 1 minus 0.75. That's equal to 0.25 gram. 0.25 gram equal to 250 milligram. 0.25 gram equal to 250 milligram. Option B is the correct answer. Clear? How simply we solve the question. If you know the concept, if you know the basics, we can solve it. Ready? Yeah. We can move with the next question, dears. This is the next question. This question is an easy question they asked in 2024. You can see the highest number of helium atoms is in. The highest number of helium atoms is in 4 mole helium. 4 mole helium means helium is monoatomic. That's a noble gas, monoatomic. That we know first. That we must have to know first. Clear? Yeah. So here 4 mole of helium. 4 mole of helium means 4 into Na atoms. 4 into Avogadro number atoms. What about B? 4 unified unit of helium. 4 unified unit of helium means 4 unified unit divided by 1 atom's mass is 4 unified unit. That means 1 helium atom will be there. 1 helium atom will be there. 4 unified unit means given mass divided by its 1 atom's mass, that is 4 unified. So 1 helium atom will be there. Here it is 4 into Na atoms. Okay, here only 1 helium atom. And what about C? C means given mass is 4, its atomic mass is 4. So that means 1 mole. 1 mole equal to Na atoms will be there. Na helium atoms will be there. And this one, D. D means 2.271. So given volume 2.27 divided by given volume by molar volume at STP is 22.7 into Na. That means 0.1 Na will be there. 0.1 Na will be there. So which one contain more number of atom? The first one. So option A is the correct answer. Clear, dears? 1 helium atom's mass is 4 unified unit. That idea you have to keep it in mind. 1 mole atom's mass is 4 gram. Clear? Yeah. We can go to the next idea. What about the next question? Question number 6. A compound X contains 32% of A, 20% of B, and remaining percentage of C. Then the empirical formula of X is. See, here a compound X contains 32% A. They are asking about the empirical formula. So I am having A, I am having B, I am having C. Clear, dears? A, how much percentage? A is 32% in the compound A. Some atom A, 32% is there. B, how much percentage? 20%. What about C then? C will be 48%. Why? Total should be 100. This while I am adding 52. 52 plus 48, 100. Okay, clear. Next, I have to calculate the empirical formula. So they given the atomic mass of each element. So this is actually the percentage. Then after percentage, I will calculate percentage by atomic mass. Percentage by atomic mass I will calculate. So I will get a relative number of moles given mass by atomic mass. That idea. Okay. So 32 divided by, if I am taking 100, out of that 32 is A. That's the meaning. So relative number of moles I will get. 32 divided by its atomic mass is how much? 64. That's equal to 1 by 2. Clear, dears? And what about B? B, in the case of B, that given mass is 20. Given mass is 20 and its atomic mass is how much? Given mass is 20. I mean, if I am taking 100, out of that 20 gram is B. That's the meaning. So B is how much? 40. That also I will get 1 by 2. And what about C? See, in the case of C, once you are doing 48%. So 48 divided by its atomic mass is 32. So 48 divided by 32 means this is 3 16s are 48, 2 16s are 32. So 3 by 2 will get. Next thing is simplest relative ratio. Okay, simplest ratio. Simplest ratio, how I will get? I have to take this one, the smallest number I have to divide with each and everything. So 1 by 2 by 1 by 2, 1. 1 by 2 by 1 by 2, 1. 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, 3. So 1 is to 1 is to 3. That's the ratio. So A, B, C, 3. Is there any option like that? Yes, option B is the correct answer. Clear, dears? It's a direct NCERT question. Direct NCERT level related question. Clear? Yeah. We can go to the next question. Question number 7. This is the question. The right option for the mass of carbon dioxide produced by heating 20 gram of 20% pure limestone is. Atomic mass of calcium they given. Calcium carbonate, once you are heating, you will get calcium oxide and carbonate. That relation also they given. So let's look about the idea, dears. It's simple, easy. Calcium carbonate is there. That is giving calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Clear? In this equation, the atomic mass of calcium, the molar mass of calcium carbonate is 100 gram. That means 1 mole means 100 gram. 100 gram calcium carbonate, if you burn, means that will give 44 gram carbon dioxide. But you are having 20 gram of calcium carbonate. But one problem is there. That is not 100% pure. That is 20% pure limestone. Limestone is calcium carbonate. That is 20% only pure. What's the meaning, dears? What's the meaning? 100% pure means, 100% pure means, if you are taking 100 gram calcium carbonate will be there. What's the meaning of this 20%? What's the meaning of this 20%? Am I correct? Yeah, 20% meaning what, dears? 20% meaning, if you take 100 gram calcium carbonate, dears, 100 gram, that limestone if you take means, okay, impurity will be there, that contain only 20 gram calcium carbonate alone. 20 gram calcium carbonate alone there. Okay, 100 gram, that particular limestone if you are taking, that contain only 20 gram calcium carbonate. Remaining 80 gram will be what? 80 gram will be impurities. But this itself you are not taking 100. You are taking how much? You are taking only 20 gram you are taking. 20 gram limestone you are taking. Okay, limestone you are taking. So that contain how much calcium carbonate only will be there. I am taking it is X. Then how I can solve for X? I can take it like 100 by 20. 100 by 20 equal to 20 divided by X. Okay. So what is X? X equal to 20 into 20 divided by 100. That means 4 gram. Meaning 20 gram, 20% calcium carbonate if you take means it will give an effect of 4 gram calcium carbonate. That's the meaning. Only 4 gram calcium carbonate if you are taking, how much you will get? That only the effect. So 100 gram if you are taking means you are getting 44 gram. But you are taking 20 gram, 20% means only 4 gram of calcium carbonate effect only will be there. That will give how much percentage of calcium carbonate, carbon dioxide, X. How you can solve? Simply 100 by 4. Okay, 100 by 4 equal to 44 by X. 44 by X. So 100 by 4, how much, dears? 25. So what is X? X equal to 44 divided by 25. That's equal to how much you will get? 1.76 gram. So option A is the correct answer. Clear, dears? 1.76 gram. A is the correct answer. Is it okay? Perfect. Because 50 divided by 25 means 50 divided by 25 means that is 2. Correct? But it is just less than. So just near to 2 it will come. So the possible answer is what? 1.76. Or else you can simply solve it and you will get it. Okay? Clear. Fine. We can go to the next one. What's the question? Question number 8. What's the question? The density of 1 molar solution of a compound X is 1.25 gram milliliter. The correct option for the molality of the solution is. What's the idea? Molality, one relation we learned. Molality is equal to 1000 times molarity, okay, capital letter M, divided by 1000 times density minus M into MB, molar mass of solute into molarity. So we have to put the values, we have to substitute the values. 1000 into, what's the molarity value they given? 1 molar. So 1 divided by 1000 into, what's the density value they given? 1.25 minus, what's the molarity? 1 into, what's the molar mass? Molar mass equal to 85. So you will get the value 1000 divided by, this is 1000 into 1.25, 1250 minus 85. 1250 minus 85. Okay, 1250 minus 85 equal to 10 minus 5, 5. Here 4 will be there. Then 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8, 6. Then 1165. So 1165. 1000 divided by 1165. 1000 divided by 1165 is how much it is coming? 1000 divided by 1165 is approximately 0.858 molar. Okay, 0.858 molar will come. So option D is the correct answer. Clear, dears? Yeah, only the idea is molality is equal to 1000 times molarity divided by 1000 times density minus mmB. The density should be in gram per milliliter. Okay, yeah, fine. We can move to the next question. This is the next question, question number 9. This question they asked in 2022. Okay, what mass of 95% pure? See, that calcium carbonate problem already we saw, here also we saw. See, here also we seen this in 2023 also the same kind of question came. Correct? The purity. Here 2022 also the same question was there. In 2022 also the same kind of question was there. Here, but the question is not like that way. They asked the pure calcium carbonate will be required to neutralize 50 ml 0.5 molar HCl solution according to the following reaction. This is the reaction they given. Calcium carbonate, okay, plus 2HCl that gives what? CaCl2 plus CO2 plus 2H2O. This is the equation they given. Now see, in this equation, in this reaction, we know 1 mole calcium carbonate if I am taking 2 mole HCl I required. Or else 2 mole HCl, 1 mole calcium carbonate I required. Now we can see they are asking about how much mass of calcium carbonate you required. Okay, but they given the idea about HCl. To tell about HCl, they are telling 50 ml 0.5 molar. I already told you what do you mean by 0.5 molar HCl meaning what? 0.5 molar HCl meaning what, dears? 0.5 mole HCl in 1 liter 1000 ml. That's the meaning. But you don't have, they didn't given 1000 ml, they given only 50 ml. So in 50 ml, how many moles are there? That I will take X. Then how I can solve for X? This divided by this will be equal to this divided by this. So that is 0.5 by X. That is equal to 1000 divided by 50. 1000 divided by 50. That's equal to 20. So X equal to how much? 0.5 divided by 0.5 divided by 20. 0.5 by 20 moles of HCl they given. 0.5 divided by 0.5 divided by 20 moles of HCl they given. They are using. That time how much amount of calcium carbonate is required? If it is 2 mole means it will be 1 mole. It's half mole. So 2 you are taking means it's half 1. If you are taking 4 here means it's half 2. If you are taking X here means it's by 2. X by 2. So here how many moles of CaCO3 we required? 0.5 by 20 by 2. That means 0.5 by 40 mole CaCO3 we required. What's the mass of 1 mole CaCO3? 100 gram. Calcium carbonate, calcium carbonate, molar mass is 100 gram. 100 gram. Am I correct? 100 gram. So 0.5 by 40 mole calcium carbonate means 0.5 by 40 mole calcium carbonate means how much? 0.5 by 40. 40 mole calcium carbonate means into 100. Into 100. I have to solve. So 0, 0 I will get cancelled. So that's equal to how much it is coming? 50 by 4 is coming. How much is coming? 50 by 4 is coming. Am I correct? Yeah. So 0.5 by 40 will come. 0.5 by 40. So 0.5 by 40 into 100 is coming. That time 0, 0 I am cancelling. Then this will be, I am sorry, not 50. 5 by 4 will come. Okay. 5 by 4 will come. This much gram calcium carbonate I required. But the problem is that our calcium carbonate is not 100% pure. 100% pure. Our calcium carbonate is 95% pure calcium carbonate. Meaning, if I am taking 100 gram, I will get only 95 gram calcium carbonate. 95 gram only pure. That much only available. Remaining 5 gram will be what? Impurity. So 95 gram if I want to get means I have to take 100. So if I want to take 5 by 4 gram, see, if I want to take 5 by 4 gram, 5 by 4 gram means here how much I have to take? I will take it is y. How much I have to take? Tell me how I will solve. This divided by this will be equal to this divided by this. So that's equal to 100 by y. That is equal to 95 by 5 by 4. 95 by 5 by 4. Meaning how much it is coming. So this is equal to 95 by 1 divided by 5 by 4. So 95 by 5 into 4 will come. Am I correct? So y equal to how much? Y equal to 5 into 100 divided by 4 into 95. 4 into 95. So this one I can cancel. So 100 by 4 is 25. So 5 into 25 divided by 95 will come. 95, how many 5s are there? So, 25s are what? 100. So 19 5s are there, 5 will get cancelled. So 25 by 19 will come. 25 by 19 we have to divide 25 by 19. So 119 is 19 divided by how much it is coming? 6 will come. So 60. 60 means how much will be there? 3 times will be there. 4 times won't be there. Okay, 3 times. 19 into 3, see, 27, remaining 257. So 1.3 will be the answer. So meaning 1.32 gram is the correct answer for that one. Option B is the clear answer. Clear, dears? Yes. Next question, question number 10th one. 10th question, see, this is a simple direct question. What's the question? An organic compound contains 78%, this is in 2021, related to empirical formula mass. Okay, 78% carbon. So carbon and hydrogen they are giving. Carbon is 78%. Then hydrogen will be how many percentage? 22%. Am I correct? How much percentage? 22% hydrogen will be there. Total should be 100. Okay, only 2 elements. Then the right option for the empirical formula mass they are asking. So this one, what should I do? It's given percentage divided by atomic mass divided by 12. And here 22 divided by 1. So 78 by 12 is equal to 6.5 will come. This is equal to 22. Okay, now what should I do? I have to divide with a smaller number. Smaller number both. Okay, so 6.5 by 6.5, that's equal to 1. And here 22 divided by 6.5, that's approximately 3.3. 3.3. Am I correct? 3.3. Now I have to take the simplest ratio. This is 1. This 3.3 is 3. So CH3. 1 carbon and 3 hydrogen. So CH3 is the answer. Option C is the correct answer. Clear answer. Ready, guys? So dears, this is the next question. Which of the following has maximum number of atoms? They given masses, they given 1 gram magnesium, 1 gram oxygen, 1 gram lithium, 1 gram silver. What's the idea? Given mass by atomic mass into Na. That's the idea to find out the atoms, correct? Yeah. So here the magnesium. Magnesium, its given mass is 1 and its atomic mass is 24 into Na. 1 by 24 into Na. What about option B? Oxygen. They given molecule, even though we can take what? Atomic mass. So 1 divided by 16 into Na. All given mass is 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Then 1 gram of lithium, 1 divided by 7 into Na. And the number of atoms in 1 gram of silver, 1 divided by 108 into Na. So here all the numerators are equal, but denominators are changing. So they are asking the maximum number of atoms means the denominator should be smaller. So in the case of lithium, denominator is 7. So the answer will be bigger. So our answer is what? Option C. Clear? Yeah. We can move to the next question. See, question number 12. What's the question here? The number of moles of hydrogen molecules required to produce 20 moles of ammonia through Haber process. This is a NEET 2019 question. It's an easy question, right, guys? You know, Haber process. N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. This is the Haber process. Ammonia preparation, industrial preparation of ammonia. So this is a gas, this is gas, this is also gas. Correct? Yeah. So it's a reversible reaction. Okay, I am writing like this, no issue. So here 3H2 gives 2NH3. So I'm considering the forward reaction. Here you can see that 3 mole hydrogen. 3 mole hydrogen is completely reactive means I will get 2 mole of 2 mole of ammonia I will get. But they are asking us to find out to produce 20 mole of ammonia. So 2 mole of ammonia, for that required 3 mole. So 20 mole ammonia, if you want to produce means, you have to take 30 mole. 30 mole hydrogen into 10 into 10. That's it, 30 mole. Option is D. Clear, dears? Yes. We can move to the next question. This is the question number 13 in 2019. The same kind of question we already seen in previous year. Okay. Here also the same way. The density of 2 molar aqueous solution of NaOH is 1.28 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, gram per milliliter. The molality of the solution is, molality they are asking, we are having one formula. What's the formula we are having? Molality is equal to 1000 times molarity divided by 1000 times density minus m into mb. Molarity into molar mass. I hope you remember. So we can put the values, we can substitute the values. Here 1000 into molarity is how much? Molarity you can see 2. So 1000 into 2 divided by 1000 into density in gram per liter, gram per milliliter or gram per centimeter cube, that is 1.28 minus molarity is 2 again into mb. Molar mass of solute is NaOH 40. So we will get 2 into 1000, 2000 divided by 1.28 into 1000, 1280 minus 80. Minus 80, that means 2000 divided by 1200. 1200. I can cancel this one, this one, this one, this one I can cancel. In 20, 5 fours are 20, 3 fours are 12. 5 by 3. 5 by 3 means 1.666, that is 1.67 molal. So option C is the correct answer. Clear, dears? So simple, direct. Okay, yeah. We can move to the next question. This is the next question, dears. You can see, what's the question here? This is in 2018. Okay, this is somewhat tricky question, but it's easy. Idea is easy. A mixture of 2.3 gram of formic acid and 4.5 gram of oxalic acid is treated with concentrated H2SO4. You know, this is an acid. This is also acid. You are treating with the concentrated H2SO4. So that time H2SO4 will be act as a dehydrating agent. That's the idea, you have to keep it in mind. Then they are telling the evolved gaseous mixture is passed through KOH pellets. KOH pellets. These KOH pellets has a ability to absorb carbon dioxide gaseous molecules. Okay, yeah, that you learned. Wait, the weight in gram of the remaining product at STP will be. So first of all, we can think about formic acid. I am taking formic acid, dears. Formic acid I am taking. This one I am treating with the concentrated H2SO4. H2SO4 will act as a dehydrating agent. It will take the water molecule. It will absorb the water molecule from here. So how I can absorb water molecule? 1H, 1O and 1H. So H2O is absorbed by the concentrated sulfuric acid. Remaining is carbon monoxide gas. Okay, carbon monoxide gas will be there. Now, see, simple, idea is simple. If I am taking 1 mole formic acid if I am taking, I will get 1 mole carbon monoxide gas. I am considering only carbon monoxide. H2O will be absorbed by concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, so the gas present is carbon monoxide alone. 1 mole formic acid completely react means 1 mole carbon monoxide I will get. Okay, now let's look about, they given 2.3 gram of formic acid. How much amount of formic acid they given? 2.3 gram of formic acid they given. 2.3 gram of formic acid means how many moles? So given mass is 2.3 divided by its molar mass. This is formic acid, you know. This is formic acid. HCOOH is formic acid. Am I correct? Yeah. So see, this C is atomic mass is 12, 2 oxygen 32 and this 2 hydrogen 2. So if I am adding, I will get 34 plus 12, 46. 46 I will get. So 4.3 divided by 46 means 23 divided by 46 into 10 raised to minus 1. That's equal to, this is 23 by 46, 0.5. I mean 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 10 raised to minus 1. That means 0.05 mole formic acid is there. That is completely reacting. So 0.05 mole carbon monoxide I will get. Am I clear? So that's the first gas I am getting. Carbon monoxide 0.05 mole. Next, the same concentrated sulfuric acid is treating with oxalic acid. Am I correct, dears? That is treating with oxalic acid also. Oxalic acid means COOH, COOH. This is oxalic acid. Kuh. Okay? COOH, COOH. Okay? That you are treating with concentrated sulfuric acid. That time it will convert them into different that will take that water molecule outside, that will absorb that water molecule outside. So water is gone. Remaining is 1 mole of carbon dioxide and 1 mole of carbon monoxide. This is gas. This is also gas, dears. So the thing, 2 gases are there. Am I correct? Yeah. So then you know that if I am taking 1 mole of oxalic acid, 1 mole carbon dioxide I will get, 1 mole carbon monoxide I will get. Now we have to look how many moles of oxalic acid they given in the question. In the question, they given 4.5 gram oxalic acid is treated. So 4.5 gram means given mass is 4.5 divided by molar mass. Oxalic acid once you are taking, see, COOH, COOH. Okay, COOH. This COOH is 45. Then one more COOH is 45 because we know HCOH is 46. From that one H we remove means 45. 45, 90. This is 90. So 45 by 90 also how much? 0.05 mole. So 1 mole if I am taking 1 mole carbon dioxide, 1 mole carbon monoxide. So 0.05 mole if I am taking means 0.05 mole, 0.05 mole carbon dioxide, 0.05 mole carbon monoxide. But this entire gaseous molecule you are passing through, you are passing through what? You are treating through KOH pellet. KOH pellet will absorb this carbon dioxide. So it won't be there. Then remaining is which gas only? Carbon monoxide. So in the case of from the case of formic acid we got 0.05 mole carbon monoxide and 0.05 mole carbon monoxide from oxalic acid also. 0.05 mole carbon monoxide from oxalic acid also. This is from formic acid. This is from formic acid. Okay, formic acid, and this is from oxalic acid. Oxalic acid. So total is 2 into 0.05 mole. So they are asking what's the mass of that one. 1 mole carbon monoxide is 1 mole carbon monoxide means its molar mass. Its molar mass is 28. 12 plus 16, 28. Then its molar mass is how much? Its molar mass of 2 into 0.05 mole means 2 into 0.05 into 28. 2 into 0.05 into 28. How much it is coming? This is actually 2 into. Okay, this one I can write like that 1 by 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. Am I correct? 1 by 2 into 10 raised to minus 1. 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 1. Okay, into 28. 2 will get cancelled, so I will get 2.8 gram. How much? 2.8 gram I will get. So what's our answer? You can check. The option C is the correct answer. Option C, 2.8 gram. Clear, dears? So only the idea is the carbon dioxide we are not considering because that is absorbing by what? KOH pellets. So if you know the basic ideas, it's easy, dears. So shall we go to the next question? Yeah, we can move to the next question, dears. This is the next question. This is the next question. This is an easy question. In 2018 they asked again. In which case number of molecules of water is maximum? Simple question. Okay. 18 ml of water. 18 ml of water means that is they given volume. So we have to convert it into, they didn't tell STP. So what we have to do? We have to convert it into mass. So mass is equal to density into volume. What's the density of water? 1. 1 into 18 ml. So that is 18 gram I will get. 18 gram water means number of moles is equal to, they are asking to find out the number of moles, correct? Sorry, number of molecules. Number of molecules. Number of molecules is equal to given mass by molar mass. Given mass by molar mass is 18 into Na. So that means Na. Avogadro number of molecules are there. What about B? B given mass is 0.18. So 0.18 they already given in mass. 0.18 divided by molar mass is 18 into Na. So that's equal to 10 raised to minus 2 Na. 10 raised to minus 2 Na. What about C, dears? C they given 0.00224 liter of water vapors at 1 atm and 273 Kelvin. That is STP. So STP means how I can find out the number of molecules? How I can find out the number of molecules? Given volume by molar volume. So 0.00224. Okay, divide by molar volume is 22.4 into Na. So this is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 raised to minus 4 into Na. 10 raised to minus 4 into Na. 22.4 divided 1002224 divided by 22.4 means 10 raised to minus 4 into Na. What about the last one? 10 raised to minus 3 mole of water. 10 raised to minus 3 mole of water means 10 raised to minus 3 into Na. So out of this, which is more? Maximum. Maximum is only 1 Na. That is option A. Option A is the correct answer. Clear, dears? Yes. We can move to the next question. Question number 16. It's the question asked in NEET, second NEET in 2016. Okay. Yeah. See here, suppose the elements X and Y combine to form two compounds XY2. Two elements are there, X and Y. They are combining to form two compounds XY2 as well as X3Y2. Clear? Yeah. So first they are telling like that, when 0.1 mole of XY2 weighs 10 gram. So we are discussing about XY2. Okay, XY2. Clear? Yeah. They are telling 0.1 mole of XY2 if you are taking, then its mass is 10 gram. Then its mass is 10 gram. Meaning, if I am taking 1 mole, I am multiplying with 10 here it will be 100 gram. So 1 mole of any compound is called its molar mass. Its molar mass. So molar mass of XY2 is 100. I am taking the atomic mass of X is X itself. Atomic mass of Y is Y itself. Then what's the molar mass? Atomic mass of X plus mass of Y into 2. So X plus 2Y, that is equal to, I will get 100. Equation 1. Okay. Ready. Second equation. Second one, they are telling like that what? 0.05 mole of X3Y2 weighs 9 grams. So we are discussing about X3Y2. We are discussing about X3Y2. What about X3Y2? 0.05 mole. Okay. 0.05 mole of X3Y2 weighs 9 gram. This weighs 9 gram. Therefore, 1 mole weighs how much grams? See, how many moles? How many grams? 9 divided by 0.05. This much gram. So that's equal to 9 divided by 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 means 10 square will go to top. So 10 and 5 will get cancelled. So 180 gram. So this is the molar mass of X3Y2. So this is the molar mass of X3Y2. Mass of 1 mole is called what? Molar mass. How I am getting that 180 gram? The mass of X plus mass of Y. How many times mass of X? 3 times. Plus mass of Y. So that means 3X plus 2Y. That's equal to 180. Equation number 2. So I am having two equations. X plus 2Y equal to 100 and 3X plus 2Y equal to 180. If I am subtracting 2 minus 1. Okay. 2 minus 1. Equation 2 minus 1. You can see what is happening. That 2y will get cancelled. Then 3x minus 2x. 3x minus 2x is 3x minus x is 2x. 3x minus x is 2x. 2x equal to 180 minus 100. That's equal to how much I will get? 80. So x equal to how much I will get, dears? 40. X equal to 40 I will get. So let's check, is there any option? Yes, x equal to 40 is there. Then x equal to 40 means this one I can take to there. So 100 minus 40 is 60. So 2y equal to 60, y equal to 30. Option A is the correct answer. Clear, dears? Yes, fine. So simply, if you know the basics, we can answer it. We can go to the question number 17. This is the question number 17 again. In 2015 also they asked about the number of water molecules. So here the number of water molecule is maximum in. They given 1.8 gram of water. 1.8 gram of water. How many molecules are there? Given mass by molar mass. Given mass by molar mass into Na. That means 10 raised to minus 1 Na. Am I correct? Yeah. B. What about B? B is 18 gram of water. 18 gram water means 18 divided by 18 into Na. Given mass by molar mass into Na. Simply Na. Ready? And what about C? 18 moles of water. C means 18 moles of water means 18 into Na. That many molecules are there. What about D? 18 molecules of water means 18 molecule itself. So out of that, which is bigger? Bigger is 18 Na. Option C is the correct answer. Clear? Yeah, fine. Next, question number 18. What's the question here? Avogadro number Na is changed from 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 mole liter in mole per mole Okay, to 6.02 into 10 to the power 20 mole. This would change. So instead of 6.02 into 10 to the power 23, we are taking 6.02 into 10 to the power 20 is called 1 mole. Then it will change what? The mass of 1 mole of carbon, the ratio of chemical species to each other in a balanced equation, the ratio of elements to each other in a compound, the definition of mass in units of grams. The idea is, the answer is what? The mass of 1 mole of carbon will change. Because if Avogadro number is 6.02 into 10 to the power 23, the mass of 1 mole of carbon is mass of 1 mole carbon. Mass of 1 mole carbon is equal to 12 gram. 12 gram. Meaning 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. 23 atoms mass was initially 12 gram. 12 gram. Therefore, 1 carbon atom's mass was 12 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. But now they are telling 6.02 to 10 to the power 20 is the 1 mole. Meaning this is 1 atom. Then now 1 mole atom means this is the 1 atom's mass. Okay, this is actually 1 atom's mass. Then 1 mole atom. Now 6.022 into 10 to the power 20 is 1 mole. Okay, now this is the 1 mole now. So 1 atom's mass, 1 carbon atom's mass, we know 12 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now this is 1 mole means 1 mole of, now new 1 mole, okay, new 1 mole of carbon atom is equal to, its mass is equal to 1 atom's mass, we know 12 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 into now 1 mole is 6.02 into 10 to the power 20. So I can cancel this one, then remaining is 10 raised to 3. So that means 12 into 10 raised to minus 3, that means 12 milligram. So initially it was 1 mole was 12 gram, now it is 12 milligram. So what's our answer? Option A is the correct answer. Clear, dears? Yes. We can move to the next question, question number 19. What's the question here? You can see what's the mass of the precipitate formed when 50 ml of 16.9% solution of AgNO3 is mixed with 50 ml of 5.8% NaCl solution. So the simple idea, we can write the reaction directly. Here you are having what? AgNO3 is there, that you are treating with what? You are treating with NaCl. Then what you will get? AgCl you will get and NaNO3 you will get. NaNO3. So AgCl is the precipitate. Okay. They are asking about the what's the precipitate formed. Precipitate is AgCl. AgCl is the precipitate. Okay. This is the precipitate that will settle down. Okay. That's the precipitate. Okay, dears. So we have to calculate the mass of precipitate. Okay. AgCl mass of the precipitate we have to calculate. Okay. Yeah. So here, first of all, we know the idea. 1 mole AgNO3 if I am taking, 1 mole NaCl will react. Okay. 1 mole NaCl will react. 1 mole AgCl will form. 1 mole AgCl will form. Now let's look about how many moles of AgNO3 they given, how many moles of NaCl they given. So first of all, we can look about what? This idea, 50 ml, 16.9% AgNO3. So let's look about that one. In the previous questions, we already discussed that idea. 16.9% AgNO3 means if I am taking 100 ml, that's actually mass per volume only they given. Okay, mass by volume idea only they given. 100 ml if I am taking, in that 16.9 gram AgNO3 is there. If you are taking 100 ml solution, in that 16.9 gram AgNO3 is there. But you are taking only how much? 50 ml only you are taking. It's half only you are taking. So its mass will be half. 16.9, its half is 8.45 gram. AgNO3 only will be there. AgNO3 will be there. What's the number of moles of 8.45 gram? This is the gram. This is the mass of AgNO3. What's the number of moles? Given mass by molar mass. What's the molar mass of AgNO3? AgNO3, silver is 108. They given 107.8. I am taking 108 for easiness of the calculation. Nitrogen is 14. Because here you can see, once you are looking, all the options are having large difference. So instead of 107.8, I am taking 108. Okay. Yeah. If the options are very, very closer, we cannot take it like that. Okay. Keep it in mind. Nitrogen 14. Oxygen 16 into 3, that is 48. So 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. Okay, 2. So 70. So 170 is the molar mass of AgNO3. Then what's the number of moles? Number of moles is equal to 8.4 by 170. 8.4 by 170. 8.4 by 170 equal to 0.049 we will get. How much we will get, dears? 0.049 we will get. Clear? So the number of moles of AgNO3 is how much? 0.049 moles I will get. Okay, 0.049 moles I will get. What about the case of NaCl? Regarding NaCl also they are telling what? They are telling 50 ml 5.8% NaCl. What do you mean by 5.8% NaCl? 5.8% NaCl meaning 100 ml of NaCl solution if you are taking, that contain 5.8 gram NaCl. And but you are not having 100 ml, you are having 50 ml. 50 ml if you are taking means how much mass will be there? It's half. Its half is 5.8, half is 2.9 gram NaCl will be there. How much will be there? 2.9 gram NaCl will be there. 2.9 gram NaCl means what's the number of moles? NaCl mass is how much? NaCl mass is Na is 23 and Cl is 35.5. So total is 58.5. So number of moles is equal to given mass by 2.9 by 58.5. 2.9 divided by 58.5 also how much? 0.049 will come. 0.049 moles. So that I am substituting here. This also 0.049 moles, dears. So 1 mole of this one, 1 mole of this one reacting means 1 mole we will get. So 0.049 mole of AgNO3, 0.049 mole of NaCl reacting means I will get 0.049 moles of what? AgCl I will get. Now they are asking the mass of 0.049 mole of AgCl. What's the mass of 1 mole AgCl? 1 mole AgCl means its molar mass. 1 mole AgCl means its molar mass. What's the molar mass of AgCl? AgCl you can take 108 or else exactly what's the value they given? 107.8. Okay, 107.8 plus 35.5. So this is 3.3. So this 753 will be coming. 4 will be there, 143.3. But this is for 1 mole. So, but we are having 0.049 moles. So therefore, total mass is equal to 0.049 into 143.3. Once you are multiplying, you will get 7.2 gram. But initially, in the previous case of AgNO3 calculation, we took what? Instead of 107.8, we took 108. So this will be just less than 7. So that is 7.2. That is approximately 7 gram. So you can check about, is there any option 7 gram? Yes, option B is the correct answer. Clear, dears? So we can do one more question. That is question number 20. You can see question number 20. Here, this is the question number 20. What's the question here? A mixture of gases contain hydrogen and oxygen gases in the ratio 1:4. Okay, W by W. And they are asking what's the ratio of the two gases in the mixture. Idea simple. This is actually given mass of hydrogen, okay, divided by given mass of what? Oxygen. That is equal to how much? 1/4. They are asking the ratio of moles, the ratio of their molecules. What I have to do? The given mass of hydrogen divided by molar mass of hydrogen, given mass of oxygen divided by molar mass of oxygen. So this will be equal to 1/2. Molar mass of hydrogen is 2. Given mass of oxygen is how much? Given mass of oxygen is they given 4. Divided by molar mass is 32. Okay, so 1/2 into 32 divided by 4 will come. 32 by 8 is how much? That is 4/1. So that's equal to 4:1 will come. Option D is the correct answer. So we did the question from 2024 to 2015 to 2024. That many questions we solved. I hope you understood how they are going to ask the question in a different way. So I hope this session was very useful. We will come with the next chapters also. Stay tuned, dears. All the best.